After a weekend trip to Houston, on my way back, a simple road sign completely changed the way I think about AI. It said one word, dip. And right there, I thought, what if dip stood for something deeper we could all apply to how we use AI? What if every piece of AI generated content could still feel deeply you, not robotic, not surface level, but purpose driven and creative? Ciao y'all, I'm Kiara, content marketer and founder of the Museum Creative, where I help creative entrepreneurs master AI-powered content marketing so they can grow their audience, sell their work, and stay in their creative flow. Today, I'm going to share a simple framework that I now call the DIP mindset, which helps me and my coaching clients use AI intentionally, intelligently, and humanly in the content creation process. As AI becomes a bigger part of marketing, a lot of creators and small business owners are falling into one or two traps. Either they're afraid of AI and don't use it at all, or they use it too much just for speed, pumping out content that lacks depth, originality, and soul. The truth is, AI isn't here to replace us. It's here to refine us if we learn how to use it with purpose. So here's what DIP stands for. Number one, do it purposely. Before you even open ChatGPT or any other AI tool of your choice, ask yourself, what's my intention? Is it to educate, inspire, sell, or connect? AI can only help you if you know where you're going, aka the purpose behind your content. Number two, do it intelligently. Don't just use AI to fill the page, use it to expand your creative reach. For example, you can ask it to remix your own words into new formats, like an existing social media post turned into a newsletter, generate new content topics, or help you refine your storytelling structure. Number three, do it humanly. AI doesn't have emotions, context, or lived experience, but you do. Your role is to bring in the personal insight, perspective, humor, or empathy that turns a basic content draft into an impactful masterpiece. When I guide my coaching clients through marketing strategies or content creation, I use this specific approach. Purpose always guides my prompts. I'm clear on the why of my content piece. Intelligence shapes the workflow. I use AI with critical thinking to stay aligned with my mission and my audience's needs. Humanity drives the message. I always edit the AI-generated content with my own point of view, expertise, and unique stories to make it more personal and resonant. I might ask ChatGPT to help me brainstorm 10 ideas and also write an already good first draft, but then I refine the final version in my own voice and personality. So if you take one thing from this video today, let it be this. Don't just use AI, collaborate with it, use it as your content sidekick. Because when you combine your creative intuition with the power of AI, that's where the real magic happens. Let's dip into AI wisely. The results will be extraordinary. If this mindset resonates with you, grab my free guide, 5 AI-powered solutions for creatives who dread marketing. It's packed with hands-on guidelines and examples to help you simplify your content and stay creative. You'll find the link in the description box. And don't forget to subscribe for more AI-driven content marketing tips like this. That's it for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Ciao!